You have been given data points in string format. Convert each element to its appropriate type. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. Here is an example solution. There are usually few different ways to convert data types, so my solution might be different than yours. Step 1. Convert the string 123 to a number. So number is number from 123 and we get a number. Step 2. Convert the string 45.67 to a floating point number. Float num is parse float 45.67 and we get a floating point number. Step 3 is to convert the string true to a boolean. So bool true is boolean from string true. And we get true because non-empty string is truthy. Step 4 is to convert the string false to a boolean. We can't use boolean constructor here, so let's do this instead. Bool false is true equals false. Step 5. Convert an empty string to a number. Empty to number is number from empty string, and we get 0. Step 6 is to convert string with a space to a number. So space to number is number from string with a space, and we also get 0. Step 7 is to convert the string 123 ABC to a number. So mixed number is parse int from 123 ABC, and we get a number 123. And step 8 is to convert the string 123.45 to a floating point number. So mixed float is parse float from a number, and we get a floating point number.